All right, robot, we're going to swap out this ice maker door. The problem statement is here that this door is dead. And it's not thinking. And I got a replacement over here that I got for $164, which hopefully will work. The number one problem is there's one screw that holds the whole thing. Whole thing pops out. We're cool, we're good. I did unplug it first before we did this, just because. Now for the screw. Too easy. Alright, looks like we gotta unplug something. This thing. Alright, this is what we've got. One plug fits all. Let's put the new one in. There it is. The thing came in two pieces. You have to assemble it partially. There we go. Now this thing goes back here. I'm gonna have to worry about the little ice freaking A dispenser, which goes down through the little tab here in the middle, I think. Alright, after that much effort, it's in. Now I'm going to make sure my tube is in the right position here. Because if it's not, my water will spew all over and I don't want that. I think it's looking pretty good. I can feel up in there and feel where it is. Alright, now I'm going to put my screw back in. Alright, time to plug it in. Okay, there we are. Okay. Looks like it's working. Let's see if the ice will come out. I declare brilliance. There it is. Good go me.